I secured the motherboard. Linus Tech Tips. Where's Linus Tech Tips?
Wait, don't you have a cooler? No.
No. It's not lined up.
What do you mean?
Oh, it's
Then it goes the other
this
way. You have to be kind of strong with it. Did both sides close? Only this side closed. You're shaking.
I know. Oh gosh.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, look at me. You're doing great.
Yeah. PC Part Picker says compatible.
It is compatible. It's just it's tough. I remember this being tricky when I did it. Yeah, that's it.
Wait. Sean? I might unscrew this and screw it back in. Ah! Look at that. That could have been bad.
We're supposed to take that off?
Yeah. This could have been bad.
Are you sure?
Yeah. You gotta take off. Anytime we see like one of those plastic thingies, we gotta take it off.
They're not doing it in the box.
Yeah, but this cooler.
The only reason I want to make sure that we're good is because things do get a little trickier once we're in the box. So whatever we can do outside the box, we should do. But if you're ready, then I'm ready.
Should we look at the Linus Tech Tips?
Yeah.
But yeah. What do you think I'm wearing this GoPro for? I've been wearing this GoPro for the past hour. Why do you think I'm wearing this?
It's jazzy.
Sad. Okay.
There's no like right way. I mean, this makes sense in terms
Yeah.
of trying to fit everything in there.
I think that's the only way we can do it.
I think you're right.
Most coolers use similar mounting mechanisms in theory, but often the actual install would be for air coolers. Mounts like mount to a second firm system are among the easiest for consumable officers. No matter what socket, it consists of two pieces of metal. Pop the mounting bars over in the orientation
Are you listening?
and tighten them down with reverse thumb screws.
Good job.
Hello, this is the Provoked Prawn.
He has a vocal fry.
You got eye boogers.
Oh.
None.
I kind of like, I like the idea of building my own
You got a
PC.
ton of eye boogers.
You have eye boogers.
No, I don't. I checked.
You are an eye booger.
Wait, can you play it back a little?
Look at the shapes too, because some of the shapes are different. You see? It's a square.
Wait, I don't think he uses this one.
What do you think he's using?
Just this one.
Yeah, that's what I said. He's only using 6.
But he said to do
No,
this.
usually you have to do this. But for this, because this has an adapter to this, you only need these 6. So you could even try and detach that if you want, but it doesn't really matter. So skinny needs to go to the top, USB to the bottom. Okay?
You sound like, what's her name? Tyra Banks.
If you plug it into CPU fan header, you'll
Does it on the right
less
side.
problems.
Did you guys know that I met Rosalia?
Yes.
I met Rosalia in New York.
Saw her on the street. Okay. You see how there's. Just look at this real quick. You see how there's 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, the fan might go down actually.
Why don't I start plugging things in while you research that? So this is pulling air in, and this is pulling air out.
I don't think anything is pulling air out. I think it's all going in.
Well, air has to go out. Air can't just come in.
It's going out through here, here, and here.
If
All
air
the
if
holes.
air is coming out through here, it can't be coming in through here. So it doesn't make sense for air to come both sides. You need cool air coming in and you need hot air leaving. You see what I'm saying?
Well, that just doesn't seem right. You got white hairs. Before? Was this for the power supply?
All these are power supply cables.
Okay.
Oh, they're here. They're here. I found them. They're here. Okay, so we do need these plugged in.
Yeah.
So okay. So there's 2 of them. Glad we've. So which one goes into the CPU and which one goes into?
The Type 4N goes into the CPU port on the PSU.
That's the power supply.
Okay.
So the CPU goes into the motherboard. This one. That makes sense because this notch fits with this notch. It's a complicated. We figured it out. This is fun. Thanks for letting me know.
Thank you for helping me.
Not easy.
Yeah. Oops. I didn't even put this in.
Is it? Oh.
I think I do this, right? Uh-oh. Oh! Oh! It turned on! It turned on! And now I gotta...
It's on. You got a computer.
Yay! Yeah! Okay, now what? That looks so clean.
I can
Yeah.
see you reflected in it.
If you like this video, you should subscribe, like and subscribe, and maybe leave a comment and tell me what your graphics card is and if you got a Windows key.